Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so I'm going to present a piece of a video that has been posted on social media that shows a person who goes by the name of RT Boss on social media. And in the video, RT Boss said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith and about the multi-vehicle accident that claimed the lives of the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith and a police officer. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that RT Boss has said in this video. Alright, now some harsh language has been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Let me take you to school. A lot of you people out there still not reading to the case yet and still not understand what I want. I mean, hear people say, oh yes, God this, etc, etc. I'm going to explain something to you. As I said before, this is an high spiritual orders. As I said before, that this man get called out by some big heads. As I said before, that this man violates some big man, so a time for him to go, his orders is no longer bidden. So that means more of them people out there are do them thing there, but for some reason, him violate the order, for him order for go. Watch this now, let me take you to schoolroom. Many of you see what's going on right now, say the man dead. You can say him dead. Yes, he's dead physical, but this is what I want you to understand. The minute that the orders has been blown and it blow up, what you expect the man for go jail? Me tell you already, you know, it's very high. No jail. Remember me tell you in the last video, say, we are talking about court and police and this and that. Watch out the outcome. Because the end of the day is, you know what happened? Into your eye, the man dead. The man not dead. The man gone home. What I want you to understand is, if you watch the video when him circulate around the internet, oh, the man just quiet. The man gone home, people. The spirit in the body, the assignment is compromised. So therefore, the man take himself home. So the man go home with the police and carry people with him. When you come talk about court, you idiot, you ever hear no history like that in a Jamaica? Where you hear them the same thing, them the same thing they dig up on the ground. You maybe wonder why you are here this now and what. So where you did expect, where did hear judge attack, where you need to do a, you know, say an accident, you know, no spiritual number. The man send himself home. So even though not that spirit still on the roam. Remember now, you know, it's a body versus soul. No, whatever soul is in that body, using that body in that form of capacity to all of you guys know it. Know that soul exit that body because the body compromised. So therefore, him left the body, but the spirit and that order and that soul still there. It go into somebody else. If you understand spirituality, let me go again. So for you the dance people who want to understand spirituality, yes, in your eyes, him dead. But for me who understand spirituality, who know about it, yes, judgment kill him. No, the man is a demonic order. What you expect? No. If the man that's so good and them mash up him mission and cover the blow, what you expect should get him out? No more dead. No, you should want to know how him played so. Now watch the letter. And today when they are going to charge him, today when they are going to sentence him, or whatever you want to call it, the man sentenced for himself, him go home. No, it's no gunshot and whatever. The man send himself home. No, it's a letter to leave the body. So the fact that when you was watching the video and see the man just calm and everybody was macry and them a go on and the video go viral and he was so calm and so forth, that the body there is on the last agenda, that means the spirit gone. So the body is a take time and melt down. People never understand that, you know. The man play more dead. So it's a letter in play to escape. Yes, the flesh dead. Yes, the flesh dead. But watch the orders. Who know about spirituality? You don't know when you go good warrior man and you go good science man and you say boy you want to fuck up smaddy and the man good like that him fling you know some car accident and blood clot happen. Come, you don't know the 100 from long time before these numbers are blow. No, the end of the day is him a bad science man for himself. You know, so him play the numbers to go home. Me not call him say, if me call it say, me not call it say him dead. Why me no want to say him dead? Me say him gone home because me know bigger than that. That body gone home, the spirit still there. Hey. Wanna get the levels? Ain't no coincidence a big accident on the day when them a go charge him. The man dead, so. And who him love sacrifice so bad, him have to take some with him too. Then I says, somebody dead too. You have to understand what's going on. The only escape and through that orders, no, Andrew the politician have nothing to do with it. In the sense of the killing right now. It is not a coup. It's not a setup. It's not no police or nobody's organize it for say yes, make it look so. No. It's an escape plan for him. For his spiritual platform. No, for you know who out there where hate him and surrender. Yeah, him not dead. Him not dead. Him just leave that body. The mission compromise. You see where you are look at? You are look on the flesh part, the big fat man, the frog face. And they say you there, the frog face. But I'm not looking at the big fat man, the frog face. Me I look on what is using the big fat man, the frog face. So the big fat man, the frog face has left. Because everybody see the body there. But what is using the big fat man, the frog face, not dead, it's still the boat. You get the message? That's the best way it could play out. And ask yourself again, why on the day when him get sentenced as called to the news I get charged? And ask yourself again, why on the time when him I get transferred? And ask yourself again, why that the accident there? And ask the police now to calculate the accident. It's a mystery. So what I want you to know, I'm not celebrating that the man dead. No time not to celebrate. I am worrying now where that spirit relies, where that spirit God know. Cause the big fat man dead, but the spirit out there know. Gone back to the energy where I use that energy now. People, let me explain something to you. When I see this case come out, I laugh after do whole lot of unu. Uno listen to why I talk. Because all I uno look on this as a little papi show thing. When uno should have stressing on yourself, I say, but why something like this come out? I mean, know them sitting here there a long time. But why now? The man violated hard and the time have to go. So in other words, how I read it and me I walk money I ever read it now. Any satanic orders and spiritual orders he was playing with him colleagues, them, it seems like, as you can realize, remember the man I'll Bill Hawk? Remember him called for himself Bill Excellent? So it's like he was over the bunch, like, you know, when Lucifer and God in them the energy there. So it looked like he was out of the bunch and too much. You know, see, I'll motivate him and move hotter than all the Prime Minister. So he did a go on there, them two then them irate. Him is Mr. Excellent and Excellent and move better than the Governor General. So him go out of him blood clot bunch, so them bound him. And it look like when them bounding that not good enough. So what I'm trying to say to you is, him end up have to close the orders to leave the body. Because them scandal, man, already scandal, is just to draw awareness. How can this close out? Then you did want this man to go court and come talk and talk who him send for, and who him do this, and who him put in a power, and this and that. No. Change the body. Moving forward, because we not come to do no reading, so that I got surprised when me just come for chat about this. I believe going forward, there is a little spell remain on the police force. Now, get on frightened. I remember when I believe in me, so then again, I don't have to really listen to what me I say, but people are sensible hear it. You see, you have to understand, whatever energy this goal, so I am looking at least like 100 and had. It should be 100 and had 44 people now, so this is like 170. And police has to go. So this man sacrificed for himself and gone out of the body now, but that soul will lick some police. So the police orders now, where may I try to tell, who don't know on the road now, who have to be careful because who know it will drop like fly. Because these are deep orders, not for you to scare or worry, but let me explain something to you, Mr. Officer. In the Jamaican terms, Others like them where you deal with and them man you strong and I do them look something man, ray, and you don't know how to do the crime rate, ray, and you don't know this man you know was very powerful, because the mystical of it in a policeman we should get you timid is the fact that this man walla in a dead and him take film dead so smoothly. Look at the picture, you know, see him happy, him reach before the body. I am trying to say to you now, policeman, no, don't make that get weak, but do you know that you all believe in something? There must be a God where you serve, Mr. Policeman. So your job from there now, Mr. Policeman, is to try to cover you and your family. Any spiritual energy you want to see a ride in, because remember say the church order they want to see him, you know. And I would advise the Prime Minister sees everything and delete the order. I want to show you how serious it is. Because that's what I would advise. More sound. I see a lot of bloggers and a lot of you people take it up. Want to take it for joke. It's serious is I put my mouth in it, and from me put my mouth in it, and my skin start scratch me. I pay negative energy start come from my atmosphere to me know what to do. Because I don't know that's something, these people, this is something that is real. This is reality. And the man sacrificed back himself and take so much with him too. Now I'll close by saying, the Asian orders and the Indian orders and Jamaican style. Somebody say Pata cause keckle. No, the reason why I am here talking, I am a Jamaican and I don't do evil. I saw no call me, but me no matter how no. The reason why I can't stand here so without a look behind me, because I don't entertain witchcraft and evil. My mouth might evil for tell you about your blood clad. Well, me not a problem with that. Full speed evil for tell you about your ass. But where my heart is concerned to mix in our iniquity and so forth, no, that is me. Me is quick to burn out evil. No, if me I say evil long time I make crazy money. But just want to clarify it on the platform that I am a man don't mix in iniquity, evil. So, you notice my teeth white? And me look good and look rich? No, if I was mixed up in any form of witchcraft, me that look like a great prince, me that look like somebody from Africa and look like me come from Dubai and look royal. No, me wouldn't have that energy. Me that look like dopey and look like me a murderer. Me that have some look weird energy. You understand? Just like Mr. Man look like Fraggy and him just have a look funny look. You can see that the evil with him has showed some energy. Anyway, the Asian order and the Indian order right now in Jamaica, a lot of you Jamaican people are working with them and not fight no man food. But what I want to appeal to all my Jamaicans who know about spirituality, we the Jamaican revival people who no say love the pucker and we are evil and ray, and no say we love Wakobi and we broke with quote not. What I am saying to you, because we no suppress we do the mouth say we evil, we just take time quiet enough for ourselves and hold for we others and not to go and bad because we not have to say we are Wakobi and Walker. But we just chill. But knowingly now you have some new people, as I said, the Asian orders and the Indian orders, we do them type of spirituality there and better and stronger. Then bring it in from Jamaica and I try my food and I work with the scammer and the gunman now. So the revival people in other words, that say them are water down. Water down because now beat them blood clots, tell them I walk over and this and all rascal like that. When you check it out, every time you hear something demonic and nothing to do with pucker people them. Give it a break. Let go the rapid people them. Nothing them now do no Right now I better them that broke them back line of one and I go with them coat not one and I cut people throat and I drink blood. I want to say this. And all my fans them and close. Anytime you go into a church and the pastor tell you say, God say if you give me 100,000 and him go and build a ark. And all of you must come in the ark for 7 days. Or God say you must go. Tell him go suck out him mama and whoever him a worship. Yes. Let me give you that strong advice. Because someone don't want to get so ignorant and say it. Because I say I'm very disrespected. But then again, if disrespected it to do when you're supposed to use it, if you not use it by you, then I must use it in the devil farm, then cuss out the devil blood clot, then if me not cuss you, somebody have to get it. But this is what I'm saying to you. Don't make the blood clot pastor trick you. Go Google Constantine and Alexander the First. Start from right there so. Remember Obama and the Pope right now the other day bring in the whole legal the whole new gay rights and them something is the Pope and Obama. Constantine will tell you about again with him. So what I am trying to tell you, all of them the thing the way you hear me talk out of my mouth. If you're sensible and you start Google Constantine the First and Pope Pope Alexander the First and Constantine. If you are educated and you run go Google when me say start realize say Constantine and Pope Alexander, them people put deacon and evangelists and pastors and reverend in the Bible. Then the next man with the name King James now become king, and when Constantine days done, King James decides, alright, at my time now, come me and change up the Bible too. And him also add to it and say, me name it the King James Version. So what I'm trying to say to you is, the Bible fuck with, but God is not. I'm not being about the ones and them not telling the truth. Right? Because right now if you pray and tell the Christian people them the truth, them run and start getting a spirit. Because the energy where the Bible bring now, if you follow that Ross, you're dead for younger and die too. One man don't want to talk that. Listen, people on the other side, I don't fear the hell. And I'm afraid of heaven. So if you want to classify me and say what the fuck you must go hell or burn in a hell. Hello, everybody have somewhere to go. Me not find problem. Support heaven no make for me. Support hell me for go. So if you are trying to figure out if a hell or heaven me for go, that is not your job and I don't even report that, because right now I don't even give a fuck if me want to go heaven or me want to go hell. I don't give a fuck where me I go. Because one thing I give a fuck with, me know me the righteous of today, I want that me talk to and look more go cuss and class me. That me sure about. When my blood clot I shoot short. Not everyone know me don't know about nothing more. Cause nobody can blood clot tell us when then there we go. So I going to leave you with something say. I rather blood clot worship and honor where I know. Sleep on that. What about word for RT? You know me have to put it up. Sleep on that. For example, I rather believe in what I can see. Let me explain something to you. A man tell us I love you. You quick to believe in it. But you not see it. And you get fucked. You don't realize how much blood clotting you can't see. You believe in it, it'll fuck you. You believe in a love, it'll fuck you. You believe in a say you want money, it'll fuck you. You believe you want a house, it'll fuck you because someone can't even get it right now. You believe in like, believe in this. Me gone left you. Me give you my message.
My people, you hear the things them what RT boss said in that video that I just presented to you? You hear the sitting them when saying that video there? Eh? You hear when say about police? My people, me I tell you now. Yes, when it comes on to this spiritual thing, sometimes it give me the heebie-jeebie. You know, me is the kind of person me read my Bible, me praise my God, me do the spiritual things when I grew up with, but at the same time, when it comes on to the voodoo, witchcraft, reading, this, that, them, something there, me don't know if I say. Them things they really and truly just, me don't know, the people. My people, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think. Yes, I'm going to left with my people. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. On the big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.